Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to change the voice language in Valorant. So, it is pretty much the same as changing languages in Valorant because you can't really change the language of your agents in Valorant without changing the language itself. So for example, now I have the Valorant in Arabic, and basically every single agent will be talking in Arabic. So pretty much what I need to do now, if I wanted to make it talk in English, is pretty much the same as changing the language. So I just have to click on the settings top right corner, then click on settings, and then here you will find the text language. So I will just change it. Here after that, I will go ahead and change it to English. So let me just do it like that, and then make it back to English. And basically what I have to do is close the game. And now I will just reopen the game once more. So click on update to update the game to the new language that I have chosen for it. And just like so, I have chosen or changed the language. So let me just open the game after it's completely updated. And let's wait. Here we go. And here we go. Nice. So let's click on play. Now all we need to do is wait for the game to be open. So I will pause the recording until the game opens. So here I am back to you guys. Now as you can see, the language has been changed. It is now on the English system, so settings, English. And basically, yeah, it is pretty much the same. So now just you have to go to your game and whatever the agent talks, you will hear it talking in the language that you have chosen. For example, for me, I have chosen the English language, so it will be, they will be talking in the English language. So yeah guys, that's how you can change the voice language environment. Thank you a lot for watching and see ya in the next video.